But what about little Smokey? Smokey doesn't know what's going on. Buster, Smokey's a boy. Never seen Buster so dominant. Buster, Smokey is a boy. See, he's not having none of it. Come on, guys, let's just have breakfast. Holy smokes. Who's this? Who's this? I don't know if I can take this. Who's this guy? This is like the weirdest. Alright, let's see what happens when I put some food down. Yummy, do you have anything to say about this? Is this consensual? What do you think, Yum? What happens when I put this food down? Do you think you're just gonna bolt? Oh, it looks like Buster's giving her. See, Yummy's a foodie. See, Yummy wants food more than sex. Buster wants sex more than food. And who the heck is this guy? Come on, guys, calm down. It's just... Huh. Wow, it's a bunch of craziness. This food is so tasty and yummy for them. See, it broke up the whole session here. So when it comes down to it, food is number one for feral cats. Hey, Buster? Buster. Holy cow.